Most people believe one simple idea, that if they could just earn a little more, money stress would finally disappear. But if that were true, people earning six figures wouldn't feel anxious about money. And yet, many of them do. Not because they're irresponsible, but because of how modern life quietly reshapes spending the moment income rises. Imagine a typical working professional in the United States or Europe. Their salary increases. Not dramatically, just enough to feel like progress. After taxes, the extra money looks smaller than expected. But still, it feels like permission, like a quiet signal that it's okay to spend a little more. It usually starts small. A slightly better apartment, a newer car, justified by a manageable monthly payment. Nothing feels extreme at this point. Then come the small comforts, subscriptions that make life easier, a little more convenience here and there. Each one feels harmless on its own. None of these choices feel reckless. They feel reasonable. They feel normal. And that's exactly why they're so easy to accept. And that's where the problem begins. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but quietly, over time. Most financial pressure today doesn't come from one bad decision. It comes from many small, sensible ones, the kind that stack quietly over time. Let's slow this down with simple math. Suppose someone earns an extra $1,000 a month. After taxes, maybe $650 actually reaches their account. Now imagine where that money goes. A few hundred toward housing, a portion toward the car, the rest disappears into subscriptions and daily convenience. What changes isn't discipline, it's expectation. The mind adjusts faster than the bank balance, and that shift happens quietly. Financial stress isn't caused by low income alone. It's caused by fixed obligations that leave no room to breathe. Awareness doesn't solve everything, but it changes how decisions feel before they're locked in. In the next video, we'll look at the hidden cost of monthly payments, not the interest, but how they quietly remove flexibility, long before stress ever shows up.